In example 2, we see that we have a 64 minus 12w on the left and a 6w minus 1 on the right. And what we need to do again is to get our w's on the same side. This is a negative 12 and this is a positive 6. So like I said before, my personal preference, if I have the choice between a positive and a negative, I'm going to always move my negative one so that I don't have to deal with as many negative signs in the long run. So what I'm going to do, since I'm subtracting this 12w, I'm going to add the 12w on the left-hand side. And if I add it on the left, I also have to add 12w on the right. And when I do that, on the left-hand side, negative 12w and positive 12w, that's just 0. So all I'm left with is 64, equal to, on the right-hand side, if I look for like terms, 6w and 12w are like terms. I can add those together, and that will give me 18w. And then I still have my minus 1. Then if I go through to solve, again, I'm back to chapter 2, where I just have a simple two-step equation. I have 18 times w and then minus 1 on the side of my w. So I have to get rid of the subtraction first, and to do that I can add 1 to both sides. So I'm going to add 1 on the right, which means I also have to add 1 on the left. And if I add that, 64 plus 1 will give me 65. And then on the right-hand side I have negative 1 plus 1, which will give me 0, so I'm left with just 18w. Then I have to get rid of that 18, so to get rid of that 18 I need to divide both sides by 18. And 65 divided by 18 is going to give me a fraction, which is 65 over 18. It can't be simplified. So I get an answer of 65 over 18 equal to w. Now I want you to think about something really quick. If you plug in on your calculator 65 divided by 18, you get a long decimal of 3.61111. You cannot write your answer as this decimal, as you will be rounding it at some point. You must write your answer to this problem as a fraction. If you don't know how to change this number to a fraction on your calculator, you are simply going to the math button, and then you're going to hit enter 2 times. Enter, and then enter again. If you need help with that, please raise your hand and I'll show you how to do it. Otherwise, I want you to go ahead and do the try this. So pause it right now and try the next one. If you did the try this correctly, you should get x is equal to 1/2. If you did not get x is equal to 1/2, please raise your hand and I'll come around to help you.